In this video, we will see how we are going to input CAD geometry to ANSYS geometry for CFD. We can use software like SolidWorks, CATIA, and other software for geometry creation, and then import those geometries to ANSYS. We can also create geometry in ANSYS itself, but it becomes difficult and time-consuming to create complex geometries. So let the best geometry creating software, I mean CAD software, make the geometry, and we'll carry on our simulations in ANSYS. Here I have a pipe segment with two bends in it. Now in order to import this geometry in ANSYS geometry, we will have to save it in parasolid form. Now let's go to the save as command. I will name it pipe for import. Now you will have to select the parasolid extension for that, and let's go for this parasolid with extension XT, XB, something like that. Or you can also save it with extension IGS. It will also help you import the geometry to ANSYS. I made a separate folder for ANSYS simulations and I'm going to save it there. Its name is for ANSYS simulations. Now let's save it. Now it has been saved in parasolid form. Now let's go to ANSYS workbench and import our saved file. As you open the workbench, under this component systems, you can go for mesh, just left click and drag and drop it. We will have this geometry section inside it. Right click the geometry section, then we will have these three options for geometry. We will have space claim geometry, design modeler, and discovery geometry. I myself prefer design modeler geometry as I find its interface quite simpler in comparison to other two. But you can choose any one of these three for your geometry. Now let's go for design modeler geometry. This interface can be seen as soon as you open the design modeler geometry. Now to import the file we saved in SolidWorks, go to file and import external geometry file and look for the location you have saved the file. I have saved it in for ANSYS simulations. So let's search it. Okay, here I have my file pipe for import. Just double click it and click generate. Here now the geometry is imported. In next video we will be making a fluid domain for this pipe segment.